It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. I don't
876 Streets, have a good day today, and I win 3 races for the day, so I feel very good. It's 2 years I don't been at the track, so I'm happy to be back, and I feel congrats and everything, and I love my fans, my 876 friends, I don't forget all of them, so I have to big up 876 Streets, real.
876 Streets, big up on the racetrack.
And I'll take with me the memories, the shine and the rain. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday.